I'm Pinterest here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a favicon to a Hostinger website. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe. So to start with, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account, and then we're going to find the website that we're working on that we want to add the favicon to. So I've got this one here, so I'm going to click on edit website, and that will take me to the website builder. From there, we're going to look to the left-hand side where the toolbar is, and I'm going to go right to the bottom where it says more, where it has the three dots. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on the general settings tab. Right at the top, you should see the favicon option. So I'm going to click the down arrow to expand the menu, and this is where you can add your favicon. So I'm going to click on add image. So favicons can be anything really, but a lot of people will use their own logo or initials or something relatable to their website. So I'm going to click on add image. So Hosting has loads of free images you can use, but if you want to upload your logo, all you need to do is click on the upload files tab. So I'm going to do that, and I've got like a little logo I made earlier, so I'm going to click on that, click on open, and that will be uploaded into my account. So if I want to use that for my favicon, all I have to do is click on select, and you can see it's been added into the favicon image section. Then all I need to do is click on save changes, and then I'm just going to X out of there and click on update website. So it might take a few seconds for that to update and the favicon to go live, but that's it. It's as easy as that. That's how to add a favicon to a Hostinger website. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.